Do you know the difference between these 5 pair of words? Affect versus affect. Affect means to influence something, whereas affect means the result of a change. Example, the weather can affect your mood. The new law had a positive effect. Accept versus accept. Accept means to receive or agree to something. Example, I accept your invitation. Whereas accept means excluding someone or something. Example, everyone is coming except John. Compliment versus compliment. Compliment denotes a polite expression of praise. Example, she gave me a nice compliment. Whereas compliment means something that completes or goes well with something. Example, that scarf complements your dress. Principal versus principal. Principal denotes the head of a school or main or most important person or thing. Example, the principal of the school is retiring. On the other hand, principle means a fundamental truth or law. For example, honesty is an important principle. Loose versus loose. Loose means not tight or free from any attachment or restraint. Example, my shoes are loose. Whereas lose means to misplace or not win. Example, don't lose your keys. Thanks for watching. Hope you have liked this video. Click and subscribe to watch more such videos.